Good morning, guys. So today I have a Fortuna that's been totally reformed. Talk about how to baffle an Irish woman. Wait till you see this property. So stay and watch the whole video all the way through, because there's lots of little surprises along the way. So come with me and we take a look around this lovely property. So this is the property that we're looking at today. It has off-road parking there. It has a pedestrian gate there. This is a corner plot, and just around the corner here it has off-road parking there, so you can see the two different angles. So let me take you inside, guys. You can see where you are. We are on sector D here, and just up there you can walk your dogs. So let's have a look inside. And you have a beautiful staircase here, and there's loads to see in this property. So as we go up here, you have your main door just up there. You would normally come in this main door here, but you have a lovely terrace area here, and we're going in this way. I just want to point out this beautiful balustrade. These balustrades are just so natural stone, and they're very, very expensive, but it's a lovely touch on this property. So as you can see, you've got this lovely area that you can sit here, and that beautiful balustrade, natural stone. You have the Valentine bricks here, and just above you have an awning as well, right across there. And we're going in to this enclosed area here, and it has a Moroccan influence in the archway, as you can see. So this area here, you can just sit here and just chill and relax, and this looks over the pool area as well. And you've got a beautiful blind above there as well. So let's go into the main house now. This is a beautiful home. It's been totally reformed. It started off as a Fortuna. Now this is your living room with dual aspect windows. You have got a ceiling light and fan, two of them above there. And in the far corner you have your log burner. You've got wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. And I'm just going to give you a quick glance. We'll go up this end of the room, and I'll turn around for you guys. So I'm going to go through the archway, and we're going to have a look around the bedrooms. So in here we go into the first bedroom. You have a ceiling light and fan, blackout blinds and security locks on the windows, as well as wreckers. This room has an ensuite. It's a nice size double bedroom. And I'll go into the ensuite straight away. So it's all fully tiled, and you have got your light above there. You've got your mirror, and you have a lovely vanity, sink and vanity unit. You've got your WC and your towel rail, and you have a lovely shower in there. And the shower has some beautiful tiling with mosaic flooring. Okay, I'm just going to take this from a different angle. It's just so you get a better view. And a better idea. So what I didn't show you coming into this bedroom is that you have kind of got a half bathroom just here, and I'll show you that now. So you have got your WC and your sink and pedestal there. Again, it's all fully tiled. You have your shaving socket there and towel rail. Okay, so I'm going to take you over to the master bedroom. So this is a lovely large room. It has aircon, ceiling light and fan. Really big, spacious room. You've also got your blackout blinds, security locks on the windows and your wreckers. And of course through here you have a second ensuite. So just in here obviously you've got your ensuite, and a beautiful one it is too. You've got this really large double shower with the mosaic tiling inside, as you can see. I'll show you that. It's the large mosaic tiling on the floor. A really lovely shower, I've got to say. The bathroom's all fully tiled. You've got a modern mirror, sink and vanity unit, and you have got your WC just there as well. Just here you have your heated towel rail as well. And in here you've got this wonderful little nook where if you're having an evening out, you can hang your garments while you get ready. So this is a great little nook in here, and you can listen to some music at the same time. So how about that? So what do you think of this house so far, guys? It's absolutely stunning. You've got your freestanding wardrobes in the bedroom as well. Give you another look at this room. Really beautiful. Okay. So I'm going to go into the kitchen. You have got your dining area here. Table and 4 chairs. And just over here you have your kitchen. Now the sun is just illuminating this whole villa. It's absolutely stunning. So you have top and base units. You've got your integrated gas hob there, your washing machine, your modern sink and drainer with your faucet, and your dishwasher. You've also got your integrated microwave and oven. And of course this is your dining area. So let me take you outside and have a look at your outside space. So this here is an insect screen. So you can have the door open, these patio doors, you can have them open and the flies can't come in, or the insects, you know, or the buzzy bees. Just stepped outside. You've got a little workbench there, whatever you need. You've got all the stuff hung up nice and tidy. And you've got a switch socket up there, light switch. So just here you have a pergola, and this is a lovely shaded area if you just want to sit and read a book. Have a nice lemon water. Because in the summer over here especially, it's quite hot, you know, over here. And to save, here's a tip guys, to save having cramps, if you drink lemon water when you go to bed at night, it really helps. So I know that's nothing to do with the property itself, but I just like to put a little bit of my own raised tips up here. So up here you have got a lovely rooftop solarium. So this rooftop solarium is quite different to any other that I've seen. You have nice raised walls, and this is a lovely area where you can just sit and chill. And of course you've got some beautiful views all around. But look at those stunning mountains over there. So this is what it looks like for me, but on the camera, when I have the camera on, they just look further away, but they're not. Really beautiful. So let's go downstairs, guys. Now I'm just back down that staircase there, and I'm going out here to the second off-road parking area. This one happens to be covered in, so it's sheltered, and you have a gate here, so I'll just shut that. So it's quite a big area. I'll just go down here. And so this is the other side of the property, and of course you've got switches here as well. So let me take you over here. It's lovely and cool under here as well. So you have a little bit of a storage area here, just to keep the gas bottles or whatever you need to. Okay, just shut that. And just here you've got a couple of steps down to the pool area. You also got a water point there, so when we have the rains, we've had some heavy rains here with the sand comes down, and of course it does leave the pool a little bit murky, but that's for everybody. And we've got the little robot in there going around cleaning that up. So here is a lovely outside kitchen area. Just show you. So you have got a sink and drainer there. You've got your little fridge, and you can put your kettle in there. You can put an air fryer there, whatever you need. Just over there is a toilet and sink. I'll bring you in there in a minute. And this is the pool pump house just here. And obviously you've got a sliding door here as well. So if you want to close that off, you can. Okay. So I'll just bring you around, and you've got plenty of base units here as well. So let me show you the toilet. So you've got a small little vanity sink there, nice and modern, and you've got your WC. So that is really, really handy. So if you've got kids in the pool, they don't have to go into the house. They can just go here, do what they need to do, and you've got your outside kitchen as well. So you could stay out here all day and just chill, you know. You've got a pool cover on here. You've got a lovely seating area up the other end. Got your barbecue. The walls are all raised for privacy, as you can see, and you have these solar lights that are in and around the property. So I'll just back off here a bit. Hope you can see this. Very, very nice, and it's a nice little shaded spot, so you could sit here all day and just look at this. So I'm just going down here, the front of the house. You got that to hang your towels as well. This is a sliding gate. Most of the gates here are sliding gates. This is the front of the house again, but just down here, guys, you have some more storage. And there is ample storage in here, I have to say. And it goes back there, so you have got your wood storage for your log burner there as well. Okay. A couple of steps down, guys, and then you have your second part of your off-road parking if you want. You have an underbuilt here, the side entrance there if you like, and just in here you have more storage. So it's every man's dream to have storage, I have been told by him indoors. And you have got your gas boiler there. Okay, we don't have piped gas in camp, so we just got the bottled gas. And just in here you have even more storage, so you could do something with this if you wanted to. Okay, so back out. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Do contact Dawn info@tolettoseltobuy.com. And don't forget to share on your social media, guys.